Allow me to introduce you to my new radar motion alarm system that delivers 24 gigahertz of radar technology and garners performance stability in any weather condition. The radar-based detection is more reliable than infrared or camera systems. The system is lightweight, portable, and very easy to set up. It comes with a user manual, a detector, a receiver, 2 packs of mounting screws, a data cable, and a sticky and universal bracket mount. You can choose to use the mount of your preference, but I chose to go with the bracket mount. The bracket was easy to install, and it was very easy to attach the detector. You can choose your desired range within the adjustable detection zone that will detect any type of intruder. This alarm system actually supports up to 6 detectors for full 3D surround coverage. Be it animal or human being, your detection system will alarm you. Now, all you have to do is hit that link down in the description for you to get your Letwesaf radar motion alarm system. Hey guys, I'm just adjusting my alarm system to about 50 feet away from my trailer so that I can hear anybody that comes up on my property. Time to get some other projects done, so I decided to swap out the doorknob that's on the shed that we will be building out to a tiny home, because this doorknob actually does not have a key to the lock. So I grabbed a little locking key from Home Depot, and I will be installing that here today. I'm not that handy, but as I try to help as much as I can to develop these 5 acres, I am learning to do these things on my own. It definitely saves a dime and a dollar, you guys. So here I am taking off the old lock, and I will be able to install the new lock once I get this doorknob off. I did my thing taking off the old doorknob, and here I am installing the new one. It wasn't that hard. It came with instructions. I did read the instructions just for the sake of accuracy, and I did pretty good. I made the necessary adjustments according to the directions, and voila, it's all done. I'm starting to feel very accomplished out here, you guys. So when we first came out here, when we first initially got these 5 acres, we put T-posts in the wrong area and actually cut off some of our property line before we got a proper survey. So today I will be removing some of these T-posts that you can see out here in the distance that actually cut off almost half an acre of our property. It doesn't take much to remove them, you guys. All I have to do is just break them at the bottom, since these are repurposed 100-year-old T-posts. They actually break off fairly easy. And one of these days I'll take a shovel and just dig out the part that's still in the ground if we need to. If not, we'll just build over them. I'm so confident out here now, you guys. I remember before I used to feel so afraid to even come out here by myself, but now it feels more like I'm really at home, and I can't wait to make that solid transition to the point to where me and my whole family is out here enjoying these 5 acres plus 5. Because remember, you guys, now we have 10 acres. We have the first 5 acres, and we have the 5 acres that we need to work on that's right adjacent to the first 5 acres. However, we're working on developing the first 5 acres initially because it does take a lot of money to do this, you guys, and we are doing this straight out of our pockets, debt free. Here are more T-posts that you can see in the immediate distance here, you guys, that we put in the wrong space. And I'm just going to go and remove these ones and put them in the spot where we are compiling the 100-year-old repurposed T-post. And we'll use them in the future for a different reason. But for right now, I just need to get these out of the way because we cut off part of our property by putting these in the wrong space. And I'm so happy that God blessed us with the opportunity to actually get an actual survey, which ended up giving us about a ½ acre more of the land. We had no clue of what we were doing when we first got out here, you guys. So don't feel bad if you buy land and you feel overwhelmed at first. It will all come together, I'm telling you. As I said, breaking these T-posts is fairly easy because they are so old. Imagine just working with steel that's more than 100 years old, you guys. It's amazing to see that these are still even usable or still standing, but it was within our price point to get these, and they are going to be resourceful as we get these first 5 acres fenced. I just didn't feel like taking a shovel and digging up all of these T-posts that were in the wrong place, you guys. It would have been a lot of work on me, and I'm out here by myself. So it was just easier for me to just break them off where they are and pile them up where we keep them, and we will repurpose them for a different project. We are off grid out here, you guys, and we do have neighbors. Some of our neighbors are living in campers, and some of our neighbors have actually built traditional homes out here. We plan to have a type of a traditional home, but we also plan to build out homes for ourselves as I will be turning the barn into a tiny home for myself. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you can watch as we build out our tiny homes and larger homes here on our property. I haven't seen the cows out here lately. You can watch a previous video of the cows that were actually milling around here on our property. They were here on the first 5 and also the second 5 acres. It's a fun video to watch. And I also heard coyotes while I was out here this time. And boy, that's more so of a reason for us to hurry up and get this fence around this property because we do want to remain safe out here. The mountain views out here are so gorgeous, you guys. Just take a look at those mountains there to the east. The wind is always blowing so hard out here. Right now it is windy season. Once the weather changes, I'm sure it will be something completely different. But we want to make sure that we make a rain encatchment system for the time when the rains come. So hopefully I can capture water when it's monsoon season. I plan to put a gutter on the top of the barn, so stay tuned for that too. We have some exciting projects coming up, you guys. Here I am looking towards the back of the property, and we have carved out the street that goes around the whole perimeter of the property. I'm so proud of the work that we've done out here. And I took that road so that I could cut down or trim down some of the creosote trees that are in the way of us completing this fencing project. This is my first time using a chainsaw, you guys, but I'm doing so well with my power tools out here. As you can see, this road that we carved out continues along the perimeter of the first 5 acres. And when we start working on the second 5 acres, we'll get a road trimmed out for us that goes around that property as well. We're doing some great things out here, you guys. Keep watching. On my way out, I saw a dust natal. Dust natals happen out here in this desert, you guys, and this is the second one that I have seen so far. Please take the time to actually subscribe to the channel so that you can continue to support our journey and we can bring you more fun content as we fence the first of our 5 acres. Thank you.